Meredith.
Et Monique.
And today we're at Daly Point Nature Reserve, right here in the city of Bathurst, New Brunswick.
On est à la réserve de la Pointe Daly, ici à Bathurst, au Nouveau-Brunswick, et on s'en va faire de la raquette.
Excellent, I'm ready to go. I'm so excited, and I'm glad to see there are washrooms here if we need them. The interpretation center is right behind us, and as Monique said, she pointed out, our maps over here. We're going to check out which trail system that we're going to try out today with our handy dandy snowshoes. And you know what? You might think I have a cup of coffee here, but I'll let you in, it's birdseed, because one of the great things about Daly Point Nature Reserve is they've got these wonderful birds, chickadees that'll come and eat right out of your hand. So we're going to try that a little later. Monique, that is quite the workout. That was so much fun.
C'est plaisant être dehors dans la nature, il fait beau.
It's beautiful here. What a perfect day. And what a workout too. It's been great. And it's great here for any age. You see some older people out and you see families out, so it's a lot of fun.
Il y a des beaux sentiers aussi, les arbres tout là qu'on a remarqué, hein?
Absolutely.
Imagine.
We came up on the white pine path and it's gorgeous. And now we're out here with these beautiful birch trees. It's a spectacular sight any time of the year. In the winter, but summer, fall, when the leaves are out, it's beautiful.
Allô, monsieur Haché.
Oui, bonjour.
Je suis content qu'on vous a rencontré. Vous venez souvent à la réserve Pointe Daly?
Oui, assez souvent. Je viens 2 à 3 fois par semaine. Quand je peux, oui.
Ah oui? Puis qu'est-ce que vous trouvez de particulier ici?
Ben, c'est surtout la tranquillité, puis la nature, puis voir les nouveaux oiseaux, puis oui, puis en même temps, c'est bénéfique pour la santé. C'est bien, c'est bien.
I've been noticing you carry this bag with you. What do you have inside of there?
Ah, ça, c'est du tournesol noir.
Oh.
C'est la nourriture favorite des oiseaux.
How come they like that one? Is that a special kind?
C'est parce qu'il y a de l'huile de tournesol.
Ah,
puis l'huile, c'est bénéfique pour les oiseaux.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Ouais.
I'm starting to get the hang of this, you know. In fact, I bet I could outrace you in these right now.
Ah, tu penses? Mais c'est vrai que tu t'en viens mal, mais tu penses sérieusement que tu peux aller plus vite que moi?
Absolutely. This is a piece of cake now.
Ah ouais?
Yeah.
Bonne chance.
Oh! I think this is a good time to go find Janet at the Interpretation Center. With us today is Janet Doucette, who's the coordinator here at the reserve. Janet, thanks for having us today.
Thanks for coming. It's great to see you guys.
On est vraiment content que tu sois là, Janet, parce que j'ai quelques questions. En fait, qu'est-ce qu'il y a d'intéressant, qu'est-ce qui est de plus intéressant là, ici qui se passe à la réserve de la Pointe Daly?
La chose la plus intéressante, parmi beaucoup de choses intéressantes, c'est parce que c'est l'habitat de la satyre fauve, le papillon du jour. Et dans 2 espèces mondiales, il y a une espèce qui habite ici et nulle part d'autre dans le monde.
Wow. It's so quiet. We're right in the city. We're 10 minutes from downtown.
Now you find it quiet.
I do.
I listen for birds.
Oh,
and
but it's so
sometimes
peaceful.
it's just it's the birds that you can hear because there's no other noise.
That's it.
That's right.
That's it. And we had a blast. We had so
I
much
heard
fun.
you.
En tout cas, on te remercie beaucoup. On a eu une belle journée, puis ça a été fantastique ici à la réserve de la Pointe Daly. Hey, Meredith?
Oh, we had so
wow.
much
C'est
fun.
super.
We'll definitely be back, and we hope that you guys come and check us out and check out Daly Point Nature Reserve the next time you're around Bathurst.
Two species of birds, I identified their call as they were coming.
I heard you laughing.
Les oiseaux spéciaux. Merci.